Hello, and welcome to part 15 of the video series on the LinuxKI Toolset. We have spent a lot of time in the previous sessions discussing the various reports generated by the KI all script. Today, we'll take a look at a new way to view the LinuxKI data using the cursus-based user interface. The normal process flow is to take a LinuxKI trace dump using the runKI script, copy the data to the system where you want to perform the analysis, and then execute the KI all script to generate the various text-based reports and the kparse HTML file. After executing the KI all script, you can execute KI info using the live option to initiate the cursus-based user interface. The cursus-based user interface is a hotkey, menu-driven approach that allows the user to select the views they are interested in and drill down onto specific items. It's great for beginners as well as experts. It can adjust to dynamically resize windows, and it also includes a powerful step feature that allows the user to step through the trace forward and backward in time. To initiate the cursus-based user interface, simply execute KI info with the -live option and the appropriate timestamp after executing the KI all script. Depending on the size of the trace, it may take some time to load all of the data. Once the data is loaded, the main screen, or global task screen, shows the top tasks sorted by CPU usage. You will also find some basic information about the trace, some information about the server, and some system-wide statistics for CPU, disk, and network activity. Note that the amount of data displayed on the screen depends on the size of the terminal window. If you resize the terminal window and press the R key, the data will be redisplayed with additional data where possible. After refreshing the screen, additional tasks are displayed at the bottom, as well as additional columns containing the network operations per second and the network megabytes per second. At any time, you can press the question mark to display a help menu. You can find a copy of this information in the LinuxKI Quick Reference Guide found on the LinuxKI wiki page. The S key allows you to select an area to drill down on. What you select will depend on the data displayed on the screen. I'll show you how easy it is, but I recommend just trying it out yourself and exploring. I'll also display the hotkey used to get the screen displayed on the upper right-hand corner. Next, I'll press the lowercase b key to go back to the main screen, but the lowercase g key will get you back to the main screen as well. The keys from the help screen can then be used to inspect the data from the trace, such as the CPU usage by socket or NUMA node, the global CPU statistics, CPU profiling statistics, interrupt statistics, disk I/O statistics, and much more. One of the key features of the cursus-based user interface is the ability to select items on the screen. What you select depends on what is shown on the screen. You can select any task on the global task screen by pressing the lowercase s key and entering the desired PID number. The main task screen provides basic information about the task. We can get additional information about the task as well, such as disk I/O statistics, system call statistics, task wait functions and stack traces, and task profile functions and stack traces. The select feature works well on other screens as well. For example, from the global CPU screen, we can select on a specific CPU. From the interrupt screen, we can select on either hard or soft interrupts to get more detail on the specific interrupt. Another key feature of the cursus-based user interface is the ability to step through the trace both forward and backward in time. The lowercase j key specifies the time interval to display the data. The greater than key will move through the trace forward in time, and the less than key will move through the trace backward in time. And the uppercase J command can be used to jump to any time within the trace. If you select a PID from the global task screen, you will get statistics for that PID for the selected time interval. The cursus-based user interface is a great way to explore the various statistics from the LinuxKI trace stub. Be sure to try out the various commands to see all of the various statistics you can explore. I hope you found today's session useful. For additional information on the LinuxKI toolset, be sure to check out the LinuxKI wiki page. Remember, the Quick Reference Guide is a short 3-page document that will help you get started and contains the help menu for the cursus-based user interface. Thank you for joining and have a great day.